Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today I'm going to be doing a Lilo and Stitch inspired nail art using the Urban Graffiti gel range. So I've already prepped these 4 nails, so I'm going to show you how I prep these on the thumb. I'll take a file and just buff over the nail. It's 240 grit file. Brush off. And then use Nail Nails Gel Residue Wipe Off Solution on cotton pad. Let that dry, and then I'm going to use the Nail Nails Nail Prep Dehydrator and just pop it on the nail. Again, just let that dry and you'll see the colour change when it's ready to go. I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti base coat. I'm going to apply it to these 4 nails. So the cuticle, cap in the free edge. If you're using an acrylic extension sculpted, you wouldn't use the gel base. You can just go straight in with the colour. Once they're all painted and capped, I'm going to pop it in an LED lamp for 60 seconds. So I haven't done the thumb at the moment. I'm going to do these nails first and do the thumb last, only so that I can turn it and pop it in the lamp that way, so the product doesn't drip off the nail. I'm going to take the Urban Graffiti Tropical Beach, paint the little finger up to the cuticle on the sides, always capping the free edge, preventing lifting. Let's go on to using the Lilac Breeze from the Urban Graffiti gel range, and then back to Tropical Breeze. Again, don't forget to cap the free edge. And then pop them in the LED lamp for 30 seconds, please. And I'm going to do a second coat. For the flower, bath bomb and Jaffa cake. Load my brush up with bath bomb. I'm going to start painting the flower. Just use the tip of the brush. Small movements using the tip of the brush. Pop it under the lamp for about 10 seconds, just to flash cure it. You could use a dotting tool to do this, but I think it's a bit easier with the edge of the brush. I'm going to use the Doctor for his body. Summer Sky, I'm going to use that for his belly. This for his dots. Quick Kiss for his ear, and then Serious Black. And then Snow White for a dot on his eye. Pop these onto the palette because it's easier to paint with in a palette. Use them nails 01 and 002. Just going to do a quick outline where all these features are going to be. This front leg, it'll make sense in a minute. This ear is going to go around about there. It's going to come around here. Have a little cutout. Little tail. And then his little foot and his claws. So there's his body, there's his head, body, foot, tail, ear. Pop it under the lamp, put it in for 30 seconds, please. So now I'm going to use a quick kiss to do his ear. Pop that in for 10 seconds, please. Now I'm going to use this, load the brush up, and I'm going to do the patch on the back of his head, and then patch on his back. And then I'm also going to do his little claws. I'm going to clean my brush off. Load your brush up with Summer Sky, and I'm going to do his patch around his eye. Oh, look. He's starting to look like him. And then I'm going to do his other eye. I'm going to load my brush up with Serious Black, and I'm going to go around all the details so it kind of looks a bit more like him. And I've also made a mistake, so I'm gonna have to go back in. Because that pink bit shouldn't be there. I'm gonna go back in with the blue. Tiny, tiny, tiny dot on his eye. Tiny dot. And there he is. I'll top coat that one, and that one together rather than going in and out of the lamp. This one I'm going to top coat, and I'm going to use the Nails Topaz Chrome pigment. Cap the free edge. Pop that in, 30 seconds please. Dip my little applicator in. Oh, look at that. And rub it in. I'm just going to dust off any excess.
That's a bit pretty, isn't it?
And then I'm going to go back over with the Urban Graffiti top coat. Oh wow. Cap in again. think I'm going to use Jaffa Cake because it's so bright. So I'm going to load my brush up and I'm going to write Ohana. Ohana means family in Hawaiian. Ohana. And I've now decided last minute that I'm going to do a little sun. Just looked a bit plain, so
whack a sunshine on there.
Pop it in the lamp, 30 seconds please. Now I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti top coat and I'm going to top coat the remaining nails because I've not top coated them yet. Seal it in. Don't need to do this one because it's already been done. Cap in, free edge, and pop that under the lamp for 60 seconds, please. I'm going to take the Urban Graffiti base coat, push it up towards the cuticle. Stop moving your hand. You weren't in shot. I don't know why I'm whispering because it's that'll definitely get picked up on. Pop it in the lamp, please. This is what I'm going to use. Heartbreaker. Barley Fields. Cap that free edge, and because this is a stumpy nail.
Hey!
Don't let it touch your skin. Heartbreaker. I'm gonna pop it on my palette. And then I think I'm going to use a 003 brush, a little striping brush. Load my brush up with Heartbreaker and using the tip of the brush, I'm going to drag down the centre of the nail. I'm just slowly thickening up that line. Lots of little stripes. Then pop that under the lamp, please. Gone back to a Nail Nails 01 brush. I'm going to load my brush up and I'm going to draw an oval. And then using the Urban Graffiti top coat, I'm going to seal the surfboard in. And then pop that under the lamp for 60 seconds.
We're using coconut
oil. Going with the Hawaiian theme. Ah. I'm using coconut cuticle oil to rehydrate the nails
Okay.
because I dehydrated them. There you go. Simples. Stitch.
Shiny.
Shiny chrome. Look at that. I really like that. Ohana means family. Surfboard. So this is Stitch, and I've done him by layering like 3 different blues. I like to do a rough base and then go in with the next colour. By outlining with the black, it just shows a little bit more of the detail and the depth and separates the different blues. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. All the products are listed below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!